Hey everybody, I'm so excited about today's experiment, and you should be too. We're gonna actually explore Newton's first law, which states an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. Now, what's really cool about this is gravity is acting on this egg. It's trying to pull it down, but the cup, plate, and toilet paper roll are holding it up. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, voila. Isn't that awesome? It falls straight down because gravity is pulling down on the egg, and all we did is we exerted a force to knock the plate and towel roll this way. Now let's try it with a huge paper towel roll. Gravity. Until next time, keep learning full steam ahead.